Scotland enjoyed a drier than average autumn this year as England was lashed by unprecedented rain. An average total of 348.4 mm rain fell on England over the months of September, October, and November, according to provisional figures from the Met Office. Only 4 autumns have seen a higher average, including the autumn of 2000, which remains the wettest on record, 437.5 mm. New records were set this year in South Yorkshire, Nottinghamshire, and Lincolnshire. Sheffield was a particularly wet location, seeing an average total rainfall of 474.8 mm, enough to smash its previous autumn record of 425.2 mm, set in 2000. The location with the highest total throughout the season was Holne on the southern edge of Dartmoor in Devon, with 899.0 mm. Not everywhere in the UK had a wet autumn, however. There was a marked difference in rainfall between England and Scotland. While it was the 5th wettest autumn for England, Scotland had only 81% of its seasonal average, and North Scotland managed only 69%. It was the 10th wettest autumn on record for Wales, and the 35th wettest for Northern Ireland. For the UK as a whole, it was the 23rd wettest autumn on record. The Met Office's rainfall data goes back as far as 1910. Separate figures for last month show that South Yorkshire had its wettest November on record, with 257% of its average rainfall, 185.0 mm. Nottinghamshire, 136.0 mm, had its 3rd wettest November, and Lincolnshire, 116.0 mm, its 4th. By contrast, Ross and Cromarty was the driest location, with just 32% average rainfall for the month, 64.1 mm. England had 132% of its average rainfall for November, while the UK as a whole had 97%. The Met Office uses the period 1981 to 2010 as a baseline for calculating averages. For more on this story, visit the news article link.